Well, hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be testing, does the Hot Box Sauna actually get up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit? There's some people out there who are not buying the claim that it gets up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I put out a video before, but it was 115 degrees out that day, so maybe I keep getting questions about it. So if you guys want to save some money though, add in that code CyberMike when you're checking out. You'll save some money on your sauna and or your accessories. And we're going to be testing at baseline, which you guys can see is 65 degrees Fahrenheit. And this first test here is at 15 minutes or so, is around 15 to the 20-minute mark. And you can see we're right at 170 degrees Fahrenheit. We're also going to use the thermogun to see how evenly the heat is being distributed throughout the sauna. And we'll also check that oven thermometer in the back to see what the temperature is in the spot that you're actually sitting. So you can see the heat around the heater, or I'm saying the temperature around the heater, the temperature around the thermometer, and then you can see the oven thermometer has us at 160, so about a 10-degree difference from the thermometer that's closer to the heater. And this is the temperature we're looking at right around the backrest. Now at the 30-minute mark, so this, again, it's a few minutes over, so it's somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes. And at this mark, we're at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've already hit that magic number. And you can see the oven thermometer is right at the 200 degree Fahrenheit mark as well. And it does take a little bit longer for the surface temperature that you're seeing on the heat gun because the surrounding air is a lot colder. So the ambient temperature is obviously heating up a little bit quicker than the surface temperature is. But you can see we're getting closer, starting to close that gap a bit the hotter the sauna gets. And this is at the 1 hour mark. So it's like right around an hour and maybe 10 minutes. And we're at a 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which is so hot. I would not be in the sauna at this temperature. I would have to let it cool down. But you guys can see the temperature around the heater here and the thermometer. As I mentioned, the longer it goes on, it starts to close that gap between the surface temperature and the ambient air. And the oven thermometer is at 220 degrees Fahrenheit. So does it get over 200 degrees, guys? As you guys can see, I used 2 different thermometers and a thermogun, and it did get over 200 degrees. And again, this is just a recap of how hot the sauna actually got at those intervals.